How to sign up and set up the Bolt application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video we will learn how we can sign up and set up Bolt application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to download the Bolt application. If you're the iOS user, open up App Store, search for Bolt Request a Ride and then tap on Get to download and install the application. Or if you're the Android user, you have to install it from the Google Play Store. So after you install the application, all you have to do is launch the Bolt application in your mobile device. After that, it will ask you to sign up or sign in into your account. So if you're a new user, there you have to enter your mobile number to sign up. But if you already have an account, simply log in. So for now, I will just enter my mobile number. Tap on continue. After that, a verification code will be sent to your WhatsApp. So you have to check for that code and you have to verify that number. Here it says create an account, so you can also link your Google account or link your email account if you want to go with that as well. But for now, if you want to go with mobile number, verify your code that you receive in WhatsApp. If not, you could also continue with Google. So here tap on continue with Google if you want to continue with Google. Then you have to select your account. Wait for a while. Now you'll be taken into this interface where you have to set up your payment method. If you want to set up payment method now, you could do that. If not, head over to tap on set up later. If you want to allow all the permission from here, tap on it. If not, then tap on allow necessary ones only. If you want to enable notifications, go with that. Tap on enable notifications, then tap on allow. And with that, you have successfully created your Bolt account. If you head over to your account, you will have all of your account information right here. You could also edit your information from this piece. Now to use the Bolt application, you have to enter your destination. Tap on where to at the bottom. There you have to enter your destination. After that, the application will calculate the fare and will display available ride option. Then select the type of ride you prefer, review the estimated fare and wait time. Once you have selected your ride option, tap on confirm. The tap or the application will match you with a nearby driver and you will receive details about your driver and the vehicle. So that's it. That's how you can sign up and set up the Bolt application in your mobile device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.